Hello friends, how are you all? You all are welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you that how to practice English speaking. If you want to practice English speaking, if you think that I'm beginner, I can't speak English language, so definitely you have to watch this video till the end. Then at last you can understand. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand. Then you will comment and then you will say me that I couldn't understand. What types of way you gave to practice English speaking, I couldn't understand. Like this, you will comment. That's why you have to listen me carefully and you have to watch this video till the end. So in this video I am going to give some tips to you for practicing English speaking and for becoming fluent in English. So first, if you want to become fluent, if you want to practice English speaking, what can be first way to practice English speaking? Do you know? First you have to improve your reading skills. First you have to improve your reading skills. If you don't know how to improve reading skills, first you have to buy any book, and you can buy the newspaper. I think so far I used a lot of newspaper. So far you can consider, and my father bought me some newspaper, and one day my father had gone to market and he bought me some news every day. Every Sunday I keep on saying to my father to buy newspaper for me, and he keep on buying the newspaper for me, and he brings some, and then I will read the newspaper, and then I will improve my reading skills. You can consider. So if you want to improve your English language, if you want to practice, first of all you have to improve your reading skills, and that you have to read English. You should improve your reading skills like that, so that you can read English properly. And if you have improved your reading skills already, no problem. Now it is time to practice English speaking. If you don't know the way to practice English speaking, so you have to listen me carefully. So first you have to read the newspaper loudly. And for this, so far I saw a lot of people, even when I was beginner to learn English speaking, when I was unable to speak English language, and when I was thinking that now I have to improve my reading skills of English, that time I was going to the forest. And that time I was practicing English language. But that time a lot of people were going to the forest and they were mocking me. And why is Jaddu speaking to himself? He shouldn't have spoken to himself. Why is he speaking? He's going crazy like this. They were thinking like this. Even I was also fearing, what will people think about me? And in which village I am living now, a lot of people of my village were thinking like this. And whenever I was going to the forest that time, and I used to put my mobile in trunk of tree, and then I was practicing loudly. Even when people were going to the forest to bring any woods, that time they were looking at me so amazingly. And that time that's why I could improve my reading skills. You can consider. So if you also want to improve your reading skills, so you have to read English book and any newspaper which you have bought. If you have bought, so it is good for you. But if you haven't bought any newspaper, you have to go to the market quickly and buy some newspaper and bring to your home, and you have to read the newspaper quickly and loudly you have to read, so that you can improve your speaking of English. It means that you can improve your which is clarity of speaking. I think some people are speaking, you will not understand. You will not understand, what is he speaking, like this you will think. So if you think that I want to I will read like this, I have to improve my English language, like, so that I can speak clearly. So you will be knowing that you have to read the newspaper loudly. First of all, that is one way of practicing. Another, you have to listen English content on YouTube. So you have to listen English content on YouTube. It means that when you will go anywhere, that time you will see you will see a lot of person, and they can speak English language very fluently, because most of the people will have developed the habit of listening more and more English content on YouTube. So you don't be late, and please develop the habit of listening only English, whatever you have to listen. But if you think that if you are unable to manage your time, but some people are listening any song, whatever they have to listen, whether they have to watch any movie, so most of the people are watching and listening in their mother tongue. It is good for them, but sometimes you can make your routine, you can make your timetable. At what time I have to watch cartoon, at what time I have to watch this movie in English, like this you have to make your time. And after that you have to develop the habit of thinking also in English. All the time you have to think in English language. Thinking is very important. Without thinking nothing is possible. You can consider. And that time when I was beginner, and before a while, as before a while I was telling you that I was going to the forest. For practice English language. You can consider that time I was not thinking English language, but I had no any knowledge that English can be improved also by thinking in English language. Like this I was not knowing. I didn't used to know. So when I came to know, after for 3 months around, I came to know. And one girls, I think, was making one video and was telling on video that and thinking is also very important. And as you are thinking in your language, you are able to improve your mother tongue. And you don't have to forget your mother tongue even, and you have to in which language you want to go, in which language you want to enhance yourself. So that language, in that language you also have to think in English language. Did you understand or not? You have to think also in that language. When you will think, definitely you will be able to improve your English language. After that, what was I doing? So I want to give you some more way of practicing that. So as I told you, now you have to think also in English language to improve your English language if you want to practice. That is called one practicing. And other, you have to watch any movie, and you can watch any movie which you will get in YouTube. And easily, it is not like that movie are not available in YouTube, but a lot of movie are here and are being released on YouTube that you can watch. But if you are learner of English, so you have to listen and you have to watch any movie mostly in English language, because you are learner of English. That's why you have to watch any movie in English language. And like this, it is also one way of practicing. You have to watch, and you have to develop the habit of listening, thinking, watching and reading in English if you want to improve your English. So other, you have to read the newspaper and any book. It is not like that only, like which is newspaper paper you have to read loudly. But and you can take not only English book, English lettered book you can, but English book, it's mean a lot of book are here, like math book. Math book are not only in Hindi language but also in English language. You can search what types of book, but book should be only in English language. That you have to read, if you want to enhance your English. So and after that you have to practice. So one way, which way most of the people are using, and you also have to use that way, otherwise you will not be able to improve your English language. So far I told you around 4 ways to practice English speaking. First way was reading loudly, other was listening and thinking, watching and reading. Now you have to speak to yourself. This is also one practicing way you can consider. You have to speak to yourself. But if you think that how can I talk to myself, I'm alone, how can I talk to myself, I will not be able to talk to myself, how can I talk, I'm alone, how can I talk? If you are thinking like this, and you don't have to think like this, but you can also talk to yourself. But how can you talk? We will talk now. So if you want to talk, if you want to improve your English language, so first you have to buy one mirror, and otherwise you can use your mobile camera. But I think nowadays mobile camera has a small screen. I think it is not good for you. So that's why I want to give a suggestion to buy one mirror which you will get in the market, and you have to go to the market and please buy one mirror, and you will get a good mirror under 100 money, which is good for you, and properly you can see your face, and you will think that one person is also with me here and will be listening me like this. You will think, and you have to sit in front of the mirror, and then you have to take any topic. And that's how you talk. If you don't have any topic, can you talk in English language? You will not be able to improve your English language. Even you can't practice English language without, until when you will not take any topic. You should have topic, and you can take any kachwa khargosh. For example, Kachwa Khargosh. Do you know Kachwa and Khargosh story in Hindi? I think you must have listened about this story. So you can tell about this story in English language in front of the mirror. Other, you can tell on any Independence Day. You can consider other and there are a lot of festivals are being celebrated by us, and on that topic you can also tell, and you have to improve your English language by telling on any festival topic. Like this. And other, whatever you will see around you, whatever can be around you, like wherever. Suppose one day you had gone to the market. Suppose, listen to me, one day you will go to the market, and that way you will see some people are selling which is cloth in the shop. Some people are selling cloth in their shop, and some people are selling like which is mobile in their shop. So that time what do you have to do? If you want to practice also, that time what do you have? That time don't have any alternative option to practice, because just you will be practicing also at your home, even only at your home. But suppose one day by mistake, if you will go to the market, if you will be taken, if you have to go to the market, that how should you practice? Also that time you can practice, but you don't know the way of practicing. So I gonna tell you. So whenever whatever you will see, that time inwardly you have to think that today I saw this today. I saw one car was sold, one person bought one car there. Like this you have to think inwardly. And suppose when I was beginner, you can consider also at my home I was speaking English language. But as you know that I am living in the village, I am living in the village. village. So I think you will be knowing that, and most of the people who belongs from village, who belongs to village, they don't know, do know English language, they can't speak English language, you can consider. So I was also in that situation. When I was beginner, I was unable to speak English language because, I had no one to speak English language with whom I will speak. And then, what was I doing, when I have to go to school, and mostly time, in morning time, most of the people are going to take bath. Who is a student? Suppose if you are students, I think you will be going to the river to take your bath. So that, when I was going to the river to take my bath, that time, also I was speaking English language. And whenever I have to ask for food from my, from my family, and when I have to ask for food, please give me. When I was saying to my mother, please give me food, I want to eat, I want to have food. That time, I was speaking English, and my mother was, thinking that, I am unable to understand, which language you are using. With the time, my father was also not understanding, and even he was not understanding that, which language my son is using, and he is speaking English language, and I know only my Santali language. Actually, my language is Santali, you can consider. So my father understands only Santali and Hindi, but that time, I was speaking English. So, and all my family were getting upset from me that why is he speaking English, and even people were laughing at me, and you can consider, I had no any enough knowledge about English, and I was unable to speak good English even, you can consider. That's why, I was making a lot of mistake, and some people who knows very well how to speak English language and who will be living and, and around me in our village, you can consider. So they were mocking me that Jadoo is learning English language, actually he, he's unable to speak English language, he is making a lot of mistake. And I think they have, found a lot of my mistake in speaking English language. All the same, you can consider I didn't give up, you can consider, and I kept continuing to learn this language. And then, as I told you, that you have to talk to yourself more and more. And other, and if you want to practice practice is very important, but most of the people are facing problem to use this way to practice English language, that is, to talk to people. You have to talk to people. But if you are living, but I think it is, hard for people who is from village, and actually they don't know, and they can't get any person easily that with whom I have to talk. Like this, they are thinking. Like this, it was also happening with me when I was beginner, and as that I am living in the village. So, and I am living at Aprol village. Name is Aprol, you can consider. So you can consider, there is no one to talk with me in English language. I was thinking that how should I talk. So, I used to have one friend. I have one friend, you can consider. So he was also unable to speak English language. So I said I will teach him in English language. So in which, standard I am now, in which level of English speaking I am this time, I also want about that he will also be in this level, so that, he can talk with me carefully, and we can speak English language, same English. So that's why I told him first of all. And one day, one day I was making, and when I was, as I told you that I used to practice, I used to go to the forest for improving, and I was reading loudly in the forest. So that time, I was going. So one day I was making, and I was reading loudly. So that time, he came across me and asked me that, and English. Yes, I know English language. We became friend to each other. And he started coming to my home. So I said, yes, I know I can help you to speak English language. Please come to my home. So he was coming to my home, and we were speaking English language together. Like this, he also learned English. I also learned English language. Nowadays, he became my friend, and anytime I can talk with him. Whenever I have to call him, that time I can practice. Whenever I have to make him phone call, that time, I can practice English language. Like this, and nowadays I'm improving just, and nowadays, I'm getting a lot of person to talk. And how I'm getting, because I'm using an application, and as you know that I have a YouTube channel. So nowadays I'm getting a lot of person also, number I mentioned, time, everything, Skype ID, link, name, everything I mentioned. So they are clicking on that link of Skype, and they are connecting with me, and talking on video call, and we are improving our English language like this. So like this you can also do. And why you're getting led, you can also do like this. If you have no no any idea how to practice English language, just you can also use this way, that you have to download one Skype application, and otherwise you can use any application are available. But some people, some application are like that, and which application you will have to give money. So in some application like that, where you have to give money, but you can skip that all, application. But which application, I told you that application is Skype, so it's free, you can consider. So you can use that, and you have to create your account and talk with people easily, and you have to know his name. That nowadays you can get you will get a lot of video on YouTube, and which is related to conversation video of English language, so that you can search. And when you will check, and whenever you will check any video, whenever you will watch any video, and in which channels that video is available, that channel you can check, and you will check about 6 description of that channel you will get that, and who is owner of that channel, he will have given some name, and you have to search that name in Skype, and he will have given some Skype ID name. So most of the people are talking in free, you can consider it, and some of the people are using only Skype application, so you can also use that way to enhance your English language. Use that and easily you will improve your English language. I think you have understood. And one way I created myself, I also want to tell you about that way also, so that you can become fluent in English. That way is very important, and you have to use that carefully. And no one will tell you this way to practice English language, just you can consider. It's only for me that I have created myself, and so I use this way many times to improve my English language. So I think you also have to use this. That there, that is like there are three grammar, like, and for grammar like that, in which you have to use the most, like active and passive tenses, modal verbs, and which is word family words, A1 which is active and passive. But and you have to practice with tenses. According to tenses, do you know? And there are three grammars. There are three tenses available: present tense, past tense, future tense, which has four parts. You can say every tenses has four parts. You can say simple present tense, future continue, like simple past tense and simple present tense. You can consider a lot of tenses are here, but you can practice according to that. And you have to, there are there are 7 grammar. You can around there are 7 pronouns you can consider. So when I was beginner that time, just when I was using this way that time, and as that also who is from Hindi medium school, even he knows very well about pronouns. So you have to know first of all about pronouns. If you have known, if you are a student of Hindi medium, I can say you that you have also knowledge about pronouns. So you have to use that all pronoun according to tenses. And first which is present tense. If there are 4 types of sentences available: active, like interrogative, double interrogative, negative, and affirmative sentence. So you have to try to make 4 types of sentences according to one sentences by using 7 pronouns. So if you have to practice with, if you want to practice with present, simple present tense, so how can you practice? And you have to use 7 pronoun, and with 7 pronoun you have to make 4 types of sentences of present simple tense. You can consider, like you can use, like there are some pronouns. I want to tell you the name of pronouns, and I, you, she, they, we, and it, he, you can say. So I have to practice. If I have to practice with present simple tense, and I will make 4 types of sentences with 1 pronoun, A1. So I go, do I go, why do I go, you go, do you go. I think you have understood. In these sentences I made 4 types of sentences, and one sentence I made in affirmative, other I made in negative, other I made in interrogative, other I made in double interrogative by using I. And now I will make more sentences. I will create 4 sentences of simple present tense by using you. Now you go, do you go, why do you go, why why do you go, you don't go, like this. And now I will practice with he goes, does he go, why does he does not go, like this. Like this you can practice. Like this you can improve your English language. I think you have understood about this way, and I have created this all way myself, and you have to use this all way definitely, and you can become fluent in English. Otherwise you will not be able to become fluent in English, and then you will comment below this video that I couldn't understand. So that's why I think you have listened me carefully, so I can see that you have understood, and you have to use this all way. Definitely you can become fluent in English. So this video is getting long, I think, so that's why we have I want to end this video. So what do you want to say? So I will end this video, and we shall meet in another video, friends. Thank you all.